And it's not something that's new that for real estate agents to have a buyer agreement.
Yeah.
The new part is that now it's the law. Before it was just a business practice. Is that right?
Yeah. And I would say many agents I know did not work with the buyer agreement just to go show houses and work with somebody exclusively. A lot of times we're meeting our clients at open houses and public places, and there's not necessarily a level of commitment. There's loyalty, but not necessarily something in writing that stipulates what sort of fee they're going to have for the services that you're providing.
So in the past, it was built into the purchase price. Is it still built into the purchase price, or is it, a lot of people thought it was fixed and it's always been negotiable, right?
It's always been negotiable. In the past, a lot of the times it would be offered on the MLS how much the buyer's broker was going to receive. Now, more so, it's not on the MLS, not at all here in California. However, some sellers and their listing agents may put an amount that the seller is willing to offer. I would say the most common thing we're seeing is that they're not putting it out there like what they would pay, but it is being all negotiated throughout the offer process. So if I'm representing a buyer, we'll usually be asking the seller in our offer to compensate for whatever the agreed upon amount is that I have worked out with my buyer.